Alongside Teddy Atlas, I'm Joe Tessitore. We're glad to be bringing you action and welcoming you to the State Palace Theater, great venue here in New Orleans. Our main event should be a good one tonight. 10 rounds slated for folks tonight. Here's the first. The excitement in the air is palpable, and the fans have good reason to be. Big Train's won every single. Reynolds did you see that? Early on here in the round, and he's already down, and he doesn't look good at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reynolds' climb back up from the canvas may inspire him. Blocks the headshots. Reynolds is on the wrong end. Look at that. And once again, he goes down. The question is, can he rise up again? And it's all over. Big Train's ultimate highlight, a first-round KO. Ladies and gentlemen,